This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quizlet for students. First, create your free account to unlock a world of learning. You can then organize your study materials into custom sets for any subject, from history to science. Quizlet helps over 60 million students worldwide. Begin by creating flashcards to efficiently memorize key terms and definitions, making your study sessions much more productive and engaging. Once your sets are ready, dive into Quizlet's powerful study modes. The Learn mode provides adaptive practice, guiding you through material until mastery. Challenge your recall with write and spell modes, ensuring you truly understand the content. For a fun break, try the match and gravity games, turning studying into an enjoyable competition. These modes offer diverse ways to reinforce your learning. Creating your own study sets is straightforward. Simply input your terms and definitions, and Quizlet does the rest. You can even add images or audio to make your learning experience more dynamic and memorable. With over 2 billion study sets already created, you can also find existing resources. Don't forget to share your personalized sets with classmates or friends to study together and collaborate effectively. To truly maximize your Quizlet experience, consider some advanced strategies. A Quizlet Plus subscription offers offline access, allowing you to study anywhere, anytime, without an internet connection. This premium option also provides enhanced features. Always track your progress to pinpoint areas where you need more practice. Finally, collaborate with study groups by sharing sets, fostering a supportive learning environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.